Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Summer 23 release notes regarding the Lightning reports and dashboards. If you missed my video the other day on Flow Builder, go back and watch the video. Some really awesome updates are coming for the Summer 23 release. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out new Salesforce content each week. And let's go ahead and take a look at these Summer 23 release notes. For this release, there's only 4 updates for Lightning reports and dashboards. And we're going to take a look at the first one here. We have the enhance your visualizations with images, rich text, and dashboard widgets. Explain Lightning dashboard charts, describe metrics and KPIs, and clarify tables with rich text right where users need it. Add company logos, branding, flow diagrams, and embed images. Guide users through their data with section titles, narrative text, and even animated GIFs or GIFs, depending on how you want to say it. Components are now called widgets in Unlimited Edition. Dashboards now support up to 25 widgets and tables, 2 images, and 25 text widgets. The previous limit was 20 in total. So let's take a look at the link here to see some of the screenshots they've given us. And right here, so it says, this change applies to Lightning Experience in Unlimited Edition. How? When editing a dashboard, click plus widget and select the type of widget to add. So you can add chart or table, text or images. Combine charts, text, and images to inform, engage, and guide viewers. This is really cool how you can embed images now, even GIFs if you wanted to. So this is a really nice update, and I look forward to playing with this in a sandbox. The second update we have is focus your view with more dashboard filters. Save time and effort and reduce dashboard redundancy. No more cloning dashboards for different teams and business units. Refine and target your dashboard data with up to 5 filters on Lightning Dashboard. The previous limit was 3 filters. So clicking on the link here for this article, you can see now there are up to 5 filters on dashboards instead of just 3. So now that is huge, almost doubling, not quite doubling the amount of filters we have. I know in my real world scenario, this has been an issue in the past. So I'm so happy to see them expanding this. The third update we have here is post Lightning dashboards in Slack. So with the post to Slack option on dashboards, you can share analytics with colleagues across your Slack workspaces and channels. Recipients can view dashboard details, share, subscribe, view a real-time snapshot of the dashboard, and quickly open the dashboard in Salesforce. I think it's a really cool feature they're adding in if you're using Slack in your organization in Salesforce. They didn't provide any screenshots of what it's going to look like, but you can kind of read a little bit more information if you follow the link. But I'm excited to see this in action. I think it's a really cool functionality that they're adding in. Lastly, manage your reports and dashboards on the Analytics tab, and this is going to be generally available now. So, you get a cohesive and personalized experience for all your analytics with the new Analytics tab. Within your new home for Analytics, you get centralized environment that can be tailored to your data needs. In addition, you get an intuitive search functionality that makes it easier to find the data you need. And clicking on the link here, they actually have included a nice little screenshot of what it looks like. And some of you have probably already seen this because it's going to be generally available now. But yeah, this is a nice little feature that's available to everybody. To be honest with you, with this release, I'm actually a little surprised we're only seeing 4 updates for Lightning reports and dashboards. I know there's a lot of other features users and admins alike wished they would add into reports and dashboards. So hopefully in the future there are more updates. But to be honest with you, seeing that we're going from dashboard filters from 3 to 5 is major. I love to see that. And I actually love the customization they're offering for the rich text and dashboard widgets and upping those from 20 to 25. I think that's really great. But if you found this video informative, leave a like, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.